Game
That
on.
was scary.
No, this is so fun.
Whoa.
Mine. Nobody go to Walmart but me. I'm going to Walmart.
Okay,
Walmart?
this mirror has been really laggy today.
It's
yeah,
laggy.
Everything. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, I thought it was just me.
okay.
Where are we going?
What are we doing? What is this?
Oh, well,
Is
is there a good
PvP?
way? Just jump. Just jump, I guess.
Don't jump. Do not jump off no matter what you do. It takes you to a Rick Roll room. Psych, I lied. Peace out.
You little turd.
Rolling. Say hey, Tim. Trying to catch
Oh.
me
Drive me.
riding dirty. Yeah.
Next week.
We were
Next
just
week.
cruising. Yeah.
Get in.
Garbanzo's mom is a milk.
No.
Ah! Oh, darn.
Yeah, drop. What's going on?
You can't drop?
Yeah.
Jumping up too
We
high.
can't. You
Up
keep
low.
We
jumping
can't
up
drop.
there.
No, I
Don't get
keep
me, get them.
Woo! Oh, shit! Nope.
Gotta get the punk down. Something's wrong with the game. I can't drop without like just disappearing. Look.
Make test 1, 2. Make testes 1, 2.
Don't shoot me! No! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
I thought that was the idea.
Yeah, but we like to form alliances and drive.
Get out of here, Garbanzo! Hey!
Drive me! Drive me! Drive me! Drive me! Drive me! Drive me! Excuse me! Drive! Drive, Joey! Drive!
That's it.
Joey.
Hey, Lord.
Okay, drive me.
Oh my god, you almost got hit. Real.
I did get it.
I ran her over.
Buddy, my bad.
Garbanzo's murdering.
Garbanzo, we need to murder
Sorry,
him.
Garbanzo.
No.
Oh my god.
My only truce is with Vanna.
Meow, meow.
Nothing personal.
Ah!
They see me squirt.
There's a sniper
Whoa.
defense.
Sniper, stop sniping. Where did you go? They see me rolling. They hate it. Squirt, 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 squirt.
That's what she said.
Trying to catch me riding dirty.
That's what Garbanzo's mom said, actually.
Time.
Facts.
Woo!
Oh, I jumped over.
You jumped right over me.
I cannot believe I did that.
Want to go for 2?
Oh, okay, wait.
Oh my god, who's sniping me? No, you do not.
Oh! I jumped out of my car. I hit the wrong button.
Your hands up.
No! Ah! Why can't I drive? Oh, darn it. Oh, there we go.
Will a friendly Uber pick me up at the church in 10 seconds? Please? Friendly Uber at the church? Thank you. Oh, wow, lots of friendly Ubers. Thank you, guys. Hold on. Oh, wait, I didn't get on. I didn't get on. I need another.
can't I grab it?
down.
There we go.
All right, let's go. I'll have. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Woo!
Wait. There, go, 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 go. I'm on. Don't go. They're shooting from there. They're shooting from there. Don't go towards the. That's survival 101. You don't go towards the shooting. God, are you?
We all got nailed. Aw, really? I'm trying to get my car back.
Can the Lyft driver pick me up in front of the Walmart, please? Thank you, driver.
I gotta get my car first. Woo!
Gotta kill Joey. Must kill Joey.
Ah! I just got my car.
Somebody's murdering all the Lyft
That was a nice shot.
Aw, man.
I know.
Oh.
That was
Me
short-lived.
and Vano need an Uber in front of the Walmart. Please ignore the fact that the last Uber driver died immediately after picking us up.
Alright,
Please,
take us away,
Uber.
Uber.
Oh, yes! Oh,
The rocket launcher behind us, Joey. Yeah, get over there.
Ah! Woo!
Let me give you a shove.
No, thank you.
No thanks. Ah! Oh, nothing personal.
Just don't get murdered.
Oops. Ah.
No.
Oh, this one? Right here. Dum, 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 dum.
hurry. Did you be shooting? No.
I stopped him. Here, someone needs a gun. Just need a gun. Here, take this.
Ah! Snap!
Well,
That didn't work.
okay then. Well, all right then.
gotta go,
man.
we gotta go.
Hey, we got to go.
Walmart! Walmart! Yay! Attention all Walmart shoppers. We have a chase here, so behave and remember the code of conduct. Thank you.
How about
Mashi,
now?
shut your mouth. No!
We would like to
Mashi,
welcome
take my
Walmart
weapon.
shoppers that we have Halloween specials. On the right side, we have some beautiful, beautiful pumpkins. On the left side, we
Give me
have
my car back.
Moving clothes.
Give me my car back. I want my
Give me that
car back.
That was beautiful.
I killed Mashi.
Oops.
Geronimo.
Geronimo. Now where's my car? That's not it. Now mine was purple, not well.
I was trying to kill garbage. Ouch! I'm screaming. I'm gonna end up waving at my kids.
Oh, ouch.
Nope.
Attention Walmart shoppers. We are now introducing Wreck
Why are you shooting me?
Water.
Wreck what?
He kept shooting me.
That was
It
an
was
accident.
self-defense.
What the heck's the range on that thing?
Please exit to your left or right.
Are
Murder
you
to your
serious?
left. Death to your right.
This is
Choose
Walmart
carefully.
Airlines Flight 2509. We are now asking for first class to board. First class is now ready for boarding.
Oh, this isn't my car, but I'll take it.
Oh no.
You shot me.
That's my car.
All right, now following groups 2 to the gate.
Never. Unholy. Unholy. Heretic. Ow.
Oh no.
Oh, that was a close one.
We're all chill. We're all friends. We're all friends.
Ah, boing. Hey!
Just reset here. I didn't even die.
Is Chase here?
Yes. Now where's?
How's the tower going, Chase? Hopefully it's going good.
Your mom's good.
Ooh.
Sick burn.
Damn it!
Pick it up here.
Oh, that was.
I don't like spiders. I don't like spiders. I don't like spiders.
Ignore the fact that now the past 4 Uber drivers have died picking me up at Walmart, but I would still like to attempt a ride. Please pick me up at Walmart
Oh my god!
right now if you are a certified Uber driver. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.
I didn't even die that time.
What the hell, man?
Crying out loud.
I was friendly. I'm friendly! I'm friendly, I swear.
I'm just an innocent Uber driver.
The lies.
Oh my god, the Uber driver's out there.
He's friendly.
Uh-oh.
I'm just an innocent Uber
Super
driver.
friendly.
Now where's my car? I keep losing my
If you
car.
guys like what you see here, sure you visit your local Walmart.
Damn it! You're not supposed to kill me. We're supposed to work together. Okay, let's go to this tower and we'll work together.
I've been shot 5 times at the local Walmart. I question your judgment.
May I suggest Kevlar next time?
Where's my car?
Okay,
Friendly!
another Uber driver. Oh, they're here, thank you.
Everybody chill out.
Whoever
Everybody
stole my
chill
car,
out.
give it back.
Okay.
Whoever stole it.
Don't shoot! Shut up!
I want my car back.
I'm so wet.
We're innocent in the door. We're innocent.
Skeletons! We're forming a skeleton alliance. Skeletons, meet at the top of tower. Skeleton alliance.
I'm trying to park my car.
Gosh darn it.
Zim's chill. Zim's chill.
I'm just trying to get my car
That
back.
tower.
Everybody chill.
Calm down. Tower. Shoot that tower.
serious? There's my car.
Wrong tower.
There's my car.
Okay, come in here. No.
Hello.
My bad.
We're going in here.
My
that's
bad.
it?
I thought you were so.
Okay.
I've been
No,
betrayed by other skeletons.
Okay,
The skeleton
I'm
alliance
gonna try
is off.
the church now.
I closed door.
because I'm gonna pray that I don't killed. I would like an Uber driver at the church. I'm praying that I make it out alive. Please.
Honk honk.
Call 1-800-999-1212. You came to the wrong neighborhood.
This game has been sponsored by your local Walmart.
Oh, he crashed into me.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Disney Channel.
Oh no.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Psycho.
Beep beep. Honk honk. Beep. I'm dead.
Oh no. My Uber driver just got shot in front of the church.
Oh my god, you shot him at...
I'm scared to leave the building.
Yeah, I didn't think that hit.
The neighborhood's really gone.
I was aiming for the
downhill.
driver, but I hit the press.
You just JFK'd that guy real hard, dude.
Hello.
I can't.
Why look at you? Shoot the tower! Shoot the tower!
Which tower would you like to go to? Or
don't
doesn't
come over
matter?
here.
Oh, I'm talking to
Everyone
nobody.
shoot the tower!
Oh god.
I just want to watch the chaos now.
Yeah. Dude, that
And
car
here we
came
have
out of
Cold
nowhere.
Chai running around with whatever he has in his hands. It looks like a shovel over here.
I'm
Honk
an Uber.
honk.
He's funny.
Honk,
He's got a
honk.
pistol.
I carry the car all the way to the top.
And here we have the Doom Buggies juking it out. The blue one's got some massive pitchfork over there. Hopefully they can make a recovery.
So fear of God and
And
church
here
is
comes-
not
Uber's here.
deter you
Pink is
heathens
following right
from
behind.
Murder.
Not far. Oh,
That's a
and he
lot of
crashes
chaos.
right into the cabin. Unfortunate. Cold Chai goes into the cabin.
No, don't you dare steal my car!
Foxy is complaining that somebody is trying to steal her car.
Hey, I just found out you guys can fly in here.
Oh no.
Just kidding. Kitty check.
Said I did.
No,
And here we have Cold Chai beating everybody.
Ah!
Oh.
Okay, uncalled for.
Cold Chai,
Uncalled for, uncool. I'm just trying to commentate, okay?
this is not Go
Does anybody
Cars,
want-
Cold
does
Chai.
anybody
this
want
is
this
Grand
splooge
Theft Auto. Chase,
Oh, no.
this is Grand Theft Auto 6. This is ridiculous. I want a refund.
Does anybody want the splooge cannon?
Oh, oh shit! Woohoo! That was dope. Thank you.
Open
Sorry.
the door.
Do it again. Oh, go ahead. All right, close it up. Close it up.
Bash, I see you. Is that you waiting for me at the church?
That
I've
was
now
awesome.
moved across the street because that was a dangerous part of town. I'm gonna try this side.
Oh, we got someone sniping. Trying to pick up the tires. Go for the tires, sniper. It always messes them up. Or throw a beer
Go
bottle.
cars
in there.
going around in circles. What a beautiful Halloween night. Players are players.
Welcome to the Halloween.
War.
Welcome to the Halloween Rack PvP. Right here at Walmart. Sponsored by Walmart. Get all your local goods there. Save money, live better.
Walmart is brought to you in part by Duracell batteries. Your Oculus controller's low.
Bash, and I
Get
moved back to
Duracell. Hi, Grandma. This is a crazy place. What did Chai take us to? Hey, Grandma.
It's
We
my
all
path.
know is when people say they're sorry, they're not actually sorry. They are actually sorry. Oh, I hear somebody getting murdered with a shotgun back there. I don't know what's going
Watch
on
out.
behind my building, but I hear bloody murder.
What a traitor.
Don't steal my
Cold Chai
car!
with the pink
You little thief!
rally car, driving around with a grenade launcher. One
You
of the
thief!
cheapest
You stole
weapons
my
in
car,
paintball
Mashy!
history.
Get my car back!
Driving. I got somebody driving.
Bastion, I'm now at the Walmart
Oh,
again.
Alex just took a Cold Chai with a cold-blooded shotgun blast.
Ah! Now where's my car?
Making him a cold die instead of a cold chai.
Where's my car?
Go red car!
Where, oh, I see my car.
Bad idea.
Okay,
That is not a
let's see if I can find my car again.
Not a safe Walmart.
Oh, that's not my car. Oh well.
Karma,
Oh.
don't take my...
No!
Hi, Foxy.
Ah! No, no,
Oh, I
no! No,
died.
no, no! No, 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 no! I just got my car, my original car back!
Would anyone like a free splooge cannon?
I'm dangerous with a car, I don't need a gun too.
First come, first served.
Ah!
We're doing some specials at Walmart.
Whoa,
1 gallon
whoa,
ice cream.
whoa.
I
2
gotta-
for 1. Gallon
There's
of
my
ice
car.
cream.
Hello, my fellow commentator. How does the game look from out there? Yeah, Garbanzo, go snipe that person in the tower since apparently it's your job. Cold Chai with cheap just gets rammed by the pink buggy, I think.
No, I'm in the
Yes.
pink buggy.
Okay, no, she's in the pink buggy. Sorry. Jeez. Oh, tower sniper just annihilated right there. Maybe he can make a comeback from that.
I need a ride at the church.
Someone needs a ride at the church. It's never too late to make your peace with God.
Ah! I died again.
In Rec Room, we're
Joey,
always
get in the
careful
game.
about your
Get in
soul.
the game, Joey.
We're gonna blast us.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Yes, I got my car back. Wow! No! You gotta back up.
Where you going, Foxy?
No,
Where you
someone's
going?
typing
Oh.
that way.
Oh,
Someone's typing that way. I don't want to go there.
The bumpy.
Go, Foxy.
Is anybody in need of a free weapon?
I'm carrying the car up the tower.
cheater. Hey! I would have been willing to give you a free ride.
Here you go.
Now I gotta get my car all over again. Okay, where is it?
Oh, I just heard someone get murdered outside. Wow. Oh, looks like
Where's my car? That's not my car. No! Car thief! Car thief! Car thief!
Carthy.
I just got run over. That was funny.
Carthy. Water Pokemon.
You see the
Somebody
Up in
stole
the
my
tower.
car again.
Don't
How
no.
rude.
Tell me.
Uh-oh, cold chai
Aw.
with the snipe.
Batgirl, think about this.
I don't... Scotty, you punk. Bastion, I need a ride at the Walmart again.
I need my car back. Where's my car?
Someone needs their car back. If you have their car, please return your stolen property. Please return stolen property back to their rightful owners.
Can't even find it. Is
Old
somebody
John
taking up
looks
the
like he's
tower?
Hungry for the snipe. Look at him. His stomach rumbly. He's standing on top of the fire. Oh, and he got hit. Whoa! 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 Hold on. Here, take this.
I don't want it.
Oh, okay.
I need another ride in front of the Walmart.
What?
Thank you.
Talking to Mike.
Okay, hi. I'm talking on the mic because Garbanzo is holding me at one point. I don't know why.
Oh, that chair messed you up.
My car!
The Bazaar keeps freaking killing me.
Okay, he tried to shield me, and it was defense. I mean, I'm holding him at gunpoint, but it was self-defense for the most part. I have your gun. If you want to come back.
Dang it.
There's my car on the top of the tower!
You ready to go?
Because I wanted to go to the tower. Wait, is there no? Whoa! 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 Whoa!
You can climb up.
My Uber driver's in the Walmart with me. That's weird.
Give me my car back!
Enough!
I'm never gonna get my car back.
We are currently out of stock on everything at Walmart due to supply chain constraints. Patient with the staff.
Wait. How do we get the stock back?
I'm dying right now. This is so
Okay,
stupid.
please explain how the stock can be returned.
What the fuck?
That wasn't me.
Told you, better look behind you.
Why did you shoot it back?
I just get my
Alright.
in my car and I die. Give me my car back!
I need that launcher.
Oh, the worst.
Your booty back here. Where's the bar?
I want to go to paintball probably here.
Okay, hey, let's kill all boys. Tell everybody.
Ah! Why won't my car start? Joey, I think, is AFK.
Chill.
I'm a kitty cat.
I'm gonna push you off. Ready? Push.
Oh, someone take out Chase. Somebody take out Chase. Where is he?
Where's Chase?
Ow.
Do you need a ride? Or are you gonna murder me?
No. Oh my gosh.
Laser weapon while I'm driving.
Ah, man.
Reddit.
I see my car. I see my car. Am I gonna get to my car before I die? Am I gonna get to my car? Yes!
Alex is coming.
Run for it, car. Run for it.
I would like to say we are hunting all in here.
Your mom's a hose and
The launcher.
And your mom's. Especially Zimzar for killing you so many times. I think you should try to tell me something. Wants me dead.
Why?
I need my beer.
Next, are you a boy?
I'm a man. Did you just assume my age?
No, I'm under strict orders to eliminate all males.
Open the garage door, please. Ah!
Oh, shite.
To the user.
Open the
We
garage door,
worship the
please.
holy coach and we cast the forbidden
Open
one.
the garage door.
Return to your master.
Open the garage door, please.
Free exorcism in the church. Come and you shall be purged.
Open the garage door,
Ooh,
please.
I will go to the church. I will go to the church.
Welcome, young one.
Zimzar, your mom.
Open the door. Whoever just jumped into the garage. Open the door.
Garbanzo has been purged. I have come to be baptized.
In the user and the coach.
Shut the garage door. Shut the garage door.
That is heresy!
Oh, why are you not dead? Everybody chill out. Everybody chill out. I'm the new priest. Zimzar has been purged.
My car is officially safe.
Everybody chill. Chill out. Oh, sorry. I did it again. I keep on killing Monster and he doesn't even mean harm. I feel really bad about it. Yes, I do. Well, that's an explosion.
Why did they ditch me?
Oh, shit.
Attention Walmart shoppers. Don't forget Chase, the manager of Walmart. Don't forget to give him a compliment before leaving this room.
Enough! I think we got heretics circling the church. We'll purge all heretics. She looks like she's
Uber
about
at
to
the
say
church,
something.
please. I just want an Uber at the church.
You're just
Testing.
attention.
1, 2. So many times.
Yeah.
For Uber drivers.
This Uber driver is
What's up,
retired.
Beep beep.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
Attention Walmart associates. We need more customers inside of Walmart.
Murderer. Hold on, don't shoot. Hold on, I'm gonna go after. Garbanzo!
Brown. Brown.
Does your microphone work?
There you go.
You're right at the Walmart again.
Bastion, can you please pick us up at your local Walmart? Thank you.
Woohoo!
I'm taking the car. Give the car up. Give the car up.
This one?
Cold Child Halloween name needs to be cold-blooded.
Darn it!
Don't do it. I'm hiding.
What happened? Why are you shooting me?
Zimzar, he's trying to kill me.
Are you serious?
Go away, go away, go away. Somebody kill Garmon. Go away.
No, 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 no! I want my car!
Range does that thing have?
Help.
Fancy meeting you up here, hey?
At least I
How did
saved
you
my
get
son.
here somehow?
Only safe
But I still
place is in
died.
the Walmart.
That's a lie. I've been murdered picking you up like 57 times.
That's outside the Walmart. It's pretty peaceful right now. And with some person named Alex in here? Oh, okay.
Face.
Oh no,
He's
Cold
been
Chai!
hiding all.
Cold Chai!
Oh man.
Leave party.
Murdered. She murdered me.
ASMR. I don't know what day it is. Evening. You're welcome.
Cold-blooded Cold Chai.
In the back.
I
Oh,
will apologize for me killing Grandma Oma. Because of that, we're having a 50% senior discount at Walmart. Thank you.
Oh, I'm safe. Once again.
oh no, he drove away.
Yeah. What did you order, Chase?
Bastion and Massachusetts.
Hold on, I'm gonna ride with Chase. Ah! There.
Hey!
We got your prescriptions. We can go now. We got pills.
I can't turn around!
We got Mucinex.
Oh my gosh, I can press
Cold Chai, your erectile dysfunction pills are ready for pickup in pharmacy. I repeat, Cold Chai. Your erectile dysfunction pills are ready for pickup in pharmacy.
Oh.
Oh no, oh my loved! No!
zombie.
I got him before he left.
Bullseye.
Oh.
Everybody's leaving.
I guess he took the erectile dysfunction pills too personally. Because I thought he was coming after me.
No, I'm not. I thought you were cold shy. My bad.
Oh no, he left.
Oh, he left?
Yeah, he left.
Hey, join parkour with
Don't
us
even-
unless you guys want to stay here.
How many people is
Oh,
it?
wow. Murdered in cold blood.
Let's go. Okay,
Mashy left too. Everybody's leaving.
Oh, no.
Alex is AFK.
Are we partied? Are we partied?
I have a green watch.
What are we doing? We're doing something.
We're gonna go
Yeah,
to
we're partied.
parkour with them. I hate parkour, so 5 minutes.
I'm on my phone.